Hey guys, so how are you all? I know I haven't done a video in such a long time. I was just taking a little break, and yes, for Diwali, I created this makeup look. And if you want to know how I achieved it, then keep on watching. So for my base, I use the Rose Ceramide cream to hydrate and moisturize my face, and I use the MAC Studio Fix NC37 for my foundation, and to highlight my face I use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So I applied it all together and then blended it all in with the Colourpop oval blending brush. And yeah, also don't forget the forehead and the neck. And after blending it all in, I also spot conceal with the same concealer, and I use my fingers to blend the concealer properly under my eye, because the warmth of your fingers like blends it correctly even for spot concealing. And I added a little bit of concealer because there was a little more darkness under my eyes, and I again blended it with my fingers because that works the best. And to set the concealer in place, I used the sugar loose powder. And then I also used a little bit of it left on the brush all over my face, and I went over it with the yellow banana powder from PAC baking powder set because I didn't want it to look like too white. So white and yellow gives like a proper balance. I used the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette bronzer on the bronzer part and warmed up my whole face, the jawline, and basically bronzed up my skin a little so that it doesn't look pale and washed out. I took this peachy shimmery blush cum highlighter from the MAC Fanatic Fashion Fanatic palette, but it's like very sheer and just gives like a wash of color. And for my highlighter, I'm using the Maybelline Molten Gold, which is like my absolute favorite. Can you just see that? I'm like always amazed once I apply it. I love this highlighter, and it's like so affordable. I use it every single day, and I highlight the top points of my face and the center part of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and the center area of my forehead, cupid's bow, and chin. Excuse some background noise because there's construction going on all the time around my area. And for my eyebrows, I'm using the Iris Beauty NYC eyebrow pencil. I brush the eyebrow hairs first, and then I outline them in, and then fill them in with the same pencil, and then I brush it up again to like blend the color well, and so that there are no like harsh spots with too much of color. And for my eyes, I'm using the Colourpop Yes Please palette. I took this light brown shade at first and warm up my crease. I layer and blend, and yeah, I take the dark brown shade from the same palette, and at first I define the outer V with a pencil brush and concentrating more on the upper lash line part, and then I take a blending brush and blend the outer V area so that it doesn't look harsh and is completely merged. And for my main all over lid shade, I'm using this shimmery pink shade from the Juvias Place palette by Zulu. Oh no, the Zulu palette by Juvias Place. I'm so sorry. I haven't done a video in such a long time. And I use a brush to apply it all over my lid, but I didn't like the pigmentation by the brush, using the brush, and so I used my fingers and it came out like pretty well. And then I take this gold shade from the Colourpop Yes Please palette and highlight the inner 1/3 and the lower part, like upper and lower part, like creating an inner V with that gold. And then I take that same darker brown shade again and add it a little more because it had like muted down, and also join it at the outer V and the lower lash line, like connecting it, like creating an outer V, just like we did the inner gold in inner V. And then I did my other eye off camera. And Sugar has launched 4 new shades, and I'm using the Black Magic shade in the Kohl in the Kohl pencils, and this is like so pigmented, and a tight line, and use it on my waterline, and also slightly smudge it with a pencil brush so that it doesn't look harsh. And I'm using the MAC in Extreme Dimension mascara, lots of it on both my upper and lower lashes, and this is like the little one which came in the MAC Diwali pack. Same with the Fashion Fanatic palette. And yeah, I'm adding a little more of that peachy blush from the BH Cosmetics palette because I wanted some more color on my cheeks, because it was not like the color wasn't enough. And finally, for my lips, I would be using the MAC Mehr Lipstick, which is like my absolute favorite everyday wear pinky nude shade. And yeah, that's it. We are done with the look. Quick and easy. I love the Juvias palette's shimmery pink shade. It like brought the whole look together, and it matches my outfit really well. And I also added a bindi and some earrings. And yeah, I hope you like this look, and if you do recreate, do tag me on Instagram or anywhere, like on any platform. I'm present everywhere. All my social media links are in the info box below. And yes, I hope you like this look, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would be doing more videos for sure. And yeah, thank you for watching. I will talk to you guys soon, and happy Diwali and happy New Year. Bye.